Hello and welcome to Chester Peugeot. My name's Charlotte and today we'll be taking you around this approved used Peugeot vehicle. Say hello to the 2018 model Peugeot 2008 PureTech GPF Allure that just come complemented in the modernised grey paintwork, really highlighting those fantastic exterior features. It does come in exceptional condition alongside your 1.2 petrol engine, ensuring this is the ideal spacious upgrade for any individual or families, housing plenty of top features including your parking sensors and even your tow bar, ideal for those adventure seekers, alongside your LED daytime running headlights for enhanced visibility. You do also have added protection with your power folding door mirrors and modernised roof rails above. Moving into your boot area, you will find more than enough space to accommodate all your travel needs, alongside a very luxurious part leather part cloth interior trim with your fitted isofix points and plenty of leg space. Moving into your front interior, you will find your multifunctional full leather steering wheel with access to your 7-inch colour touchscreen and of course your 2 front part leather seats, once again very comfortable for all travelling passengers. To seamlessly navigate around the vehicle, you will find your mounted audio controls on your steering wheel, alongside your central display housing more than enough audio options to keep you entertained out on the open road, as you do have a wide selection of radio stations alongside your Bluetooth connection to listen to your own preferred audio. This does come compatible with your MirrorLink, Apple CarPlay and Android Auto for quick access to all your vital driving apps. Of course, you do have your on-screen display of all your driving functions and vehicle settings alongside your parking sensors. Moving just below, you will find your dual climate control for a more desired temperature, followed by your handy power outlets, cup holders and your different driving settings to match any road condition. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video tour. If you would like any further information regarding this vehicle, please give our team a call on 01244 883 072 or inquire online now.